Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This phone isn't afraid to go head-to-head with true flagships. It's the first device rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, packs a gigantic 80,300 mAh battery, a super-fast 165Hz gaming display, and supports 100-watt charging. Yep, I finally got my hands on OnePlus's newest release, the OnePlus Ace 6T. This model will arrive globally as the OnePlus 15R on December 17th, though the global version's battery will be slightly smaller at 7,400 mAh. The mission behind this phone is crystal clear. It's built for gamers who aren't satisfied with normal performance and want something that pushes way beyond the standard gaming limits. So what exactly does this new device bring to the table? Today, we're taking a closer look. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design. The purple variant is definitely the standout this year. Unlike the black and green models with their silky matte glass finishes, this electric magnetic version uses a glossy glass back, giving it a noticeably lighter feel in the hand. And remember the complaints about the plastic frame on the Ace 5 Pro? OnePlus clearly listened. This entire Ace 6T series now comes with an aviation-grade metal frame and solid metal buttons, perfectly fitted with zero wobble. A huge improvement. At 8.1mm thick and weighing 211 grams, it's also the only version with the Ace branding printed on the back. Outside of the limited edition model, this purple one almost feels like a semi-custom release. And honestly, the color really does grow on you. Now, let me explain why I'm calling this an overclocked machine. My take on overclocking is simple. I might not use it every day, but the option better be there. The 6.83-inch 165Hz 1.5K display is tuned by OnePlus specifically for gaming, and it shows. It's unbelievably smooth, one of the best you'll find on any smartphone right now. Color accuracy also deserves a shout out. Compared to the Ace 5 Pro, the visuals here look clearer and more refined. Plus, with hardware-level low-brightness eye protection, reduced blue light, and minimal flicker, this screen is designed to help keep your eyes comfortable during long sessions. It even received TUV Rhineland Eye Care certification, which makes sense. Gamers rely heavily on their vision, so having a display that's easier on the eyes is a real advantage. Performance is flagship level, and battery life hits an entirely different tier. The A6T, or globally the OnePlus 15R, focuses heavily on raw power and endurance. It's powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process. With two 3.8 GHz Orion performance cores and six 3.2 GHz efficiency cores replacing the traditional setup, this chip means business. On Antutu, it scored an impressive 3.56 million, beating many devices running the Snapdragon 8 Elite. And in real gaming tests, with Honor of Kings at 144Hz and ultra-high graphics, the frame rate stayed within a 2% fluctuation for 3 straight hours. The back of the phone never exceeded 42 degrees Celsius. Using native triangular motion control, it delivered an average of 164.7 FPS over 30 minutes, with peak temperature at just 38.7 degrees Celsius. It also supports 165Hz mode and a silent mode for smoother performance. Plus, thanks to its built-in controller-grade gyroscope and 200Hz touch sampling rate, the Ace 6T responds instantly to every movement. No delays, no jitter, no recoil drift, just precise in-game control exactly when you need it. Beyond that, OnePlus introduced an upgraded Ice Core cooling system. The massive 43,940mm quieter cooling area pulls heat away from the chip quickly, while the redesigned internal structure guides heat away from the areas where your hands usually rest. This prevents hotspots and keeps the phone comfortable even during long gaming sessions. The phone comes equipped with ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking and Water Touch 2.0, and the whole device is built tough with IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K protection. You can pull it out of water and jump straight into a game without any hiccups. Whether you're at the beach, relaxing by the pool, or soaking in a hot spring, this phone can go with you. No extra waterproof case needed. It really shows how much effort OnePlus put into making sure gamers can play anywhere, anytime. While it keeps many features from the OnePlus Ace 6, the AC6T steps it up much bigger battery. It uses an 8,300 mAh Glacier battery, which is 500 mAh larger than before and features spherical silicon carbon anode technology that boosts long-term health and helps prevent swelling caused by heavy, frequent use. In real-world use, the Ace 6T burned through just 41% of its battery after 6 hours of intense activity, leaving plenty of juice to spare. That kind of endurance means you can enjoy long gaming sessions on work trips without constantly thinking about the charger. I played for half a day during testing, and honestly, I was exhausted before the phone was. The battery barely moved. Even if you somehow don't manage to drain it, the Ace 6T supports wired reverse charging, so you can top up your watch or earbuds on the go. For normal charging, you get 100 watts fast charging, taking the phone from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. And when you're gaming, you can switch on the side charging feature, which bypasses direct charging to reduce heat buildup. That keeps performance stable and prevents the phone from slowing down during heavy gameplay. ColorOS 16 also brings a new game assistant. It blocks message interruptions while you play, and it can show your game status in a floating window when you switch apps. So if you're waiting to respawn in Honor of Kings, you can quickly reply to messages without worrying about your teammates yelling at you for being AFK. As for the cameras, the Ace 6T still sticks with a dual camera setup. Personally, for a dedicated gaming-focused phone, I don't think it really needs two lenses. Removing the ultra-wide like the iPhone's approach and keeping just one good main camera would have been plenty. After all, your friends probably carry all kinds of camera phones. Why would you rely on a gaming phone for photography? Still, the main camera isn't bad at all. It uses a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor and supports features like shadowless photography and low-light live shooting. Overall, this overclocked model performs far beyond what I expected at this price. With its 165Hz display, powerful processor, massive battery, and incredible endurance, it really feels like OnePlus has doubled down on gaming this year. And thanks to their efforts, more and more games now support 165Hz refresh rates. I'm excited to see even more titles adopt higher refresh rates so gamers can enjoy a faster, smoother, and stronger mobile experience. The base model of the OnePlus Ace 6T, which will launch globally as the OnePlus 15R, starts at 2,399 yuans in China, roughly £255 in the UK or about $340 in the US. I'll update you soon on where you can buy it in the UK and the USA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.